Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions and stores data in the secure, tamper-proof way. It was first created to power cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but it has since found applications in many other fields. The blockchain consists of a network of computers that work together to verify and validate each transaction. Each transaction is recorded as a block and added to the chain, creating a permanent, unalterable record of all the transactions that have ever occurred on the network. One of the key features of blockchain is its security. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be modified or deleted without the consensus of the entire network, making it virtually impossible to hack or manipulate. Another important aspect of blockchain is its transparency. Since all transactions are recorded on the ledger and are visible to anyone on the network, it allows for greater accountability and reduces the risk of fraud and corruption. Blockchain has many potential applications, including in finance, supply chain management, voting systems, and more. Its decentralized nature and security make it an exciting technology with the potential to revolutionize many industries. There are many blockchains in existence, each with their own unique characteristics and use case. Here are some of the most popular blockchains. Number 1, Bitcoin. The first and most well-known blockchain, Bitcoin, is a decentralized digital currency that allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. Number 2, Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that allows for the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. Number 3, Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain is a blockchain that is compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, allowing for the creation of decentralized finance applications. Number 4, CARDANO. CARDANO is a blockchain platform that aims to provide a more sustainable and scalable alternative to other blockchains. Number 5, POLKADOT. POLKADOT is a blockchain platform that allows for interoperability between different blockchains, enabling them to work together seamlessly. Number 6, SOLANA. SOLANA is a blockchain that uses a unique consensus mechanism called proof of history, which allows for extremely fast transaction processing times. Number 7, Ripple. Ripple is a blockchain that is designed for the financial industry, allowing for fast and low-cost cross-border payment. These are just a few examples of the many blockchains that are currently in use. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best blockchain for a particular use case will depend on the specific needs of the application.